Alright, let's click here, go down to Rules of Differentiation, and 14-2 is what we need to look at. So we got find the derivative. We got y is equal to sine x plus 4 over cosine x plus 5. So let's how did that come up? What's going on here? Okay, I don't know what happened there. We got y is equal to, we're going to write this down, sine x plus 4 over cosine x plus 5. So we're getting a little mixture here of the product rule, the quotient rule, and this particular one here will be doing the quotient rule. Okay, and let's go back to blue. Okay, so we have y is equal to, that almost looks like a g, but we'll say it's y, is equal to sine x plus 4, and that's all over cosine x plus 5. So we're going to be using the quotient rule. So we'll say y prime. So that means we're going to take the derivative of the numerator. Derivative of sine x is cosine x. The derivative of 4 is 0. And then what we do is we just rewrite the denominator. Cosine x plus 5. And then we say minus the numerator. So we'll have to put all that in parentheses. Plus 4. And then times the derivative of the denominator. Derivative of cosine x is negative sine x, and then derivative of 5 is 0. So you notice I started a parentheses here, and that's because of this negative sign. This thing could really mess you up if you're not careful. So we attempted to draw a horizontal line. And then, of course, it's all over the bottom squared. So cosine x plus 5, and the whole thing is squared. Now, what can we do with this? Can we clean it up any? Not really. I don't see anything we can factor or anything like that. We could do this. We could take that minus and bring it out here, so we have a minus and a negative, and that's going to cancel out to be a plus, and we probably need to do that. And then we got cosine of, what's going on here? Oh, that's all in, got to be careful. Cosine x plus 5. And we got the plus, like I said. And then we want to write, oh, wait a minute. Let me think about this for a second. We got cosine squared. If I was to distribute this across, you have cosine squared, 5 cosine. We have plus sine squared. Ooh, I see an identity in there. Actually, I don't know if that would help out any or not. We're going to take a peek here at what I did in the code. And see what's going on, because if you do distribute that, we do have an identity which will cancel, collapse down. Let's take a look at what's going on. Oh yeah, okay. Well, it is a little cleaner than that. Cosine times cosine is cosine squared x plus 5 cosine x plus sine squared x, that's this sine x times this sine x, plus 4 sine x. I might as well at least show you how we got the answer on the script. Cosine x plus 5 So this and this can be joined together. Cosine squared x plus sine squared x is 1. Right? So that ends up being 1. And so we have 5 cosine x plus 4 sine x. And then, of course, we'll put the plus 1 out here. Right. Then we got cosine x plus 5 squared y prime. So that anyway explains how we're coming up with this. And of course I've got it written in a little different order, but that's okay. Alright, so that's how that works out. And you can come on over and practice, and I'll see you there.